Hey, what's up guys? It's Jamie here. Thanks very much for joining me in today's video. If this is the first time on the channel, welcome. My name's Jamie. I cover internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to get started online, and all things digital. If any of that's of interest to yourself, I'd love to have you join me. Feel free to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to smash that bell icon to stay up to date with everything I'm putting out. Alrighty, so what I'm talking about today is something that I hear from time to time from some of the people I talk with, and my students in particular, and they say, Jamie, it's just too competitive. There's too many people doing the same thing, and well, I don't think I can make a dent in it. I call bullshit on that, to be honest, and here's why. Someone pointed out to me a while back, his name was Greg Jeffries, look him up, super cool dude by the way. Basically, he did a presentation on the concept of competition as we know it. And so the overall thing was basically showing that there's 7.5 billion people in the world. And then it went smaller and showed the number of people that were actually interested in the same stuff that you are. And then it showed the number of people that are actually taking action on the actual stuff that they're learning, which is pretty small. Not many people are actually bothering to do that. And then after that, you've got the people that actually stick with it. And then after that, you've got the people that actually stick with it and become any good at it. And then you've got the people that are actually making money out of it, right? So if you look at it in that angle, most people just absorb knowledge. They don't actually do anything with that knowledge once they've got it. And so the key thing is just to keep moving. And in terms of the reference point for that, by the way, was blogging and keywords and things like that. And the statement that was made at the time was basically when he started blogging and whatnot, the keyword density for whatever keyword it was, one of the things that he blogs about was something like, don't quote me, but like under 2,000 words. And now that same keyword is now up to over 20,000 words that people are searching for. So goes to show you, like, as the internet grows, more and more people are searching for different stuff and different keywords. So therefore, that in itself can't really be an excuse for competition, because there's going to be people looking for different things, right? The other thing is, if you are building a personal brand, there's no such thing as competition, because there's going to be 1,000 reasons why someone buys from me as opposed to the guy next door, as opposed to the lady down the street, etc. Right? And so therefore, we all have an ability to forge our own way. And one of the things I talk about with my students in particular is that we have somewhat of a competitive advantage at the moment, because we're not the people that are zapping around in the private jets and we're living this like grandiose lifestyle that seems so unachievable to the normal person. We're just the people next door that happen to be doing stuff online and happen to be making a decent amount of cash from doing it, right? So anyway, the takeaway is that if you're building a personal brand in particular, there's no such thing as competition. Who can compete with you? You're one in 7.5 billion. There's no one else that can be you the way you can be you. And so therefore all the traits and all the flaws and all the good stuff and all the bad stuff, some people are going to resonate with your messaging. They're going to find inspiration from your words. They're going to just like you for some unknown reason. You don't know why. Some people, of course, aren't going to like you, and that's completely fine as well. In fact, they're going to be kind of nasty about it. And again, you're going to have to deal with that. Point being is that if you are putting time and energy into building up your own brand and speaking in your own voice and just being authentic and just basically helping people out as you go along, competition melts away, because like I say, you can form a relationship with someone, you can have a different, network of people, you can go and find other people that are interested in what you're interested in, and you can communicate with them in the only way that you are able to communicate with them. No one else can compete with that. So if you're thinking that it's too competitive to get into an affiliate marketing or any online business for that matter, it is absolutely not. It's a warped mindset that thinks that, because literally there is no competition, especially if you're going through the process of building up your own brand. I'm not going to say it's easy. I'm not going to say it's even simple, but it is incredibly doable, especially when we've got the likes of YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, all these platforms that are out there that you have the ability to go and build those relationships with people on. You're irreplaceable. Go forth and do it. Anyway, thank you for joining me, guys. It's going to be a quick one today. I need to get back to work. But if you'd like to join me, like some clarity in what you're doing as far as the affiliate marketing goes, click that link below, check it out. It's probably not going to be for you because quite frankly it's not going to be for most people. However, the Super Affiliate Accelerator is getting some incredible results for people, and you may be our next success story. I'm not even going to edit that out. I should edit that out, shouldn't I? I'm not going to. Anyway, you may be our next success story, so click the link, check it out, see if it's for you, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the inside. Thanks for joining me.